Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Roxley and I am back with another video. If it is your first time here, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also make sure that bell is notified every single time I upload a new video. So today I am going to be showing you guys how to stretch out your natural hair so that you're able to do hairstyles like these and braid your hair down. It just makes the process so much easier. I found this about like maybe a month ago and it's just been like my go-to for everything, to braid down my hair for my wigs, to do a top knot bun and bang like this. It's just been so helpful and I hope that this video helps someone out there as well who may be struggling. This has definitely stopped me from wanting to perm my hair. Don't get me wrong, I still get a little frustrated with my frizzes and stuff, but it's just not as bad. It's so much easier to maintain. All right, so without further ado guys, let's go ahead and dive right into the video and I hope you guys enjoy. All right guys, so this is how we're gonna go ahead and get started. This is what my hair looks like. I just finished washed it about like an hour ago, so it's a little damp right now, but this is what my hair is looking like. I do believe I have like a 4C texture hair. I do also believe that my hair is different textures throughout, so like the size and everything are definitely a 4C, and then up here I think might be like a little bit of a 4B, but my hair is very coarse, very thick, and this is what we're looking like. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I'm going to be using to protect my hair from the heat. So I'm going to be using this Silk Elements Coconut Heat Protection Spray with Silk. It's good for relaxed and natural hair. All right, helps protect from damage. You can use with all heat styling appliances. This is what it says. This is what it looks like. Absolutely swear by this thing. I was so nervous about blow drying and straightening my hair because I had a really bad experience years and years ago, about 6 years ago, when I first went natural. Well, not when I first went natural, but it was like my second attempt at going natural. I went and got my hair done, and you guys, I had a leave out. That's when leave outs was popping back then, right? So they left out a piece of my hair up here and straightened it, and you guys, it would not go back to curly for nothing. Like, it had got major heat damage, and I was so afraid that this was gonna happen, and that's why I've been avoiding like straightening my hair. But I finally found a solution. So this is what we're gonna be using once again, and then I found this baby right here, which works wonders. I bought this at Sally's and I bought it for about like 32 or 39 bucks. All right, you definitely need to invest in this thing when I tell you, because I had just a regular blow dryer that was kind of old and like none of the blow dryer combs would fit it, but this works way better than a blow dryer comb in my opinion. I love the little brush things that it has up here. Like, it works wonders. It's Conair Pro Ceramic Tools Porcelain Series. All right, so that's the one that I have if you guys are interested in that. And then the last thing I'm going to be using is my flat my comb, my hot comb. You don't have to use this. This is just because I plan on putting my hair up in a ponytail. So if this doesn't do the job completely, it's gonna do the job. You guys will see in just a second. I like to go in with this just to make sure it's like fully straightened out and stuff like that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this process, y'all. All right guys, so I have 2 hair ties. Normally I have a little bit more, but I'll start off in the front this time just to kind of show you guys what we're working with. I feel like the back, you can't really see it that much, but I'm just sectioning off my hair. I do this like every week now and my hair curls back up so fast. It's literally insane. So this is just to give it a good stretch. I wouldn't say this is gonna last you forever in a day. I mean, unless you really take your time and do this all throughout the hair. I didn't even fully tie it back there. Unless you fully take your time to do this, you can do it in smaller sections. I'm not gonna be doing that today because I got things to do, people to see. So we're gonna start off with this section right here. I'm gonna take my oil and then I'm gonna spray it because I want to make sure that my hair doesn't get damaged. And this stuff smells really good, guys. In case you were wondering, trying to make sure this oil doesn't get all on my face. All right, so we're gonna take this. You guys won't be able to hear me when I start this, but you'll be able to watch what's going on. Alright guys, so far I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. This side just got a little bit in here, but just to kind of this side, just to show you guys the difference really quick. It's not 100% through, but as you can see, this side is really shrunken. It's not fully, you know, blow dried yet. And then this side, I just did it. It's a lot easier to run your hands through your hair as well. When you do this method, it makes it easier for you to braid your natural hair down. Yeah, it just makes it a whole lot easier. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna spray the oil all throughout my hair just in case some pieces get in there while I'm trying to blow dry it, because that will happen when you don't fully tie your hair properly, like myself. So we are just spraying the oil all throughout the hair because I want to make sure my hair doesn't get heat damaged. Now you will see a lot of like smoke and stuff coming from this because of the oils. But yeah, I like to put a lot in there because I need to make sure that my hair is protected at all times. All right, so now that we've done that, we're gonna go ahead and continue the process. Guys, so this is the first half of my hair. This is how much it has stretched it out with just the blow dryer brush thing. I call it a blow dryer brush. I'm going to put this up in a small little bun up here, and we're gonna do the back see, but this is, as you can see, like, this is just amazing, guys. Y'all see that? All right, so I leave the ponytail out like that. Y'all see that? Sis got length. All right, I'm gonna do the back off camera because you guys can kind of see the point in what I've been doing here, and then I'll probably go in with the hot comb in just a second, just to kind of show you guys my full process. But it's getting smoky up in here, and the back should maybe take me about 10 minutes to complete. This is not a long process at all. But yeah, let's go ahead and move on. What my hair looks like when it's all done and blowed dried. I didn't tie the back, but I just wanted to show you guys what sis is looking like up here. Ooh, that popped off. So sis got a lot of hair, period. This is what my hair looks like. It's been almost 2 years since I've been natural. I braid my hair down a lot to kind of keep it healthy. I feel like I do have some split ends in there. I did try to cut my split ends like last week. I know you can't really tell right now, but yeah, that's what happened. But this is what she's looking like. She's really full and ready for a ponytail. I mean, it's doing a little something, but not a whole lot, to be honest. Not a whole lot. All right, she's all stretched out. I am going to finish my makeup and finish my hair. I'm going to do a bun and maybe a bang. I may record that as well, put that like on a second video because this might be way too long. But if you guys end up liking it, I'll be uploading that video pretty soon as well. All right, I will be back in a jiffy loop. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching that video. If you are interested in seeing how I obtained this look right here, this bun and bang thing going on, I did make a separate video for this, and I'll be uploading that for you guys as well, simply because I didn't want this to be too long. And maybe some of you weren't here for a bun and bang. Maybe you were just here to get the natural stretch out hair, whatever it is you came here for. That's all you came here for. You didn't come here for that. So for that reason, I made a separate video for this bun and bang if you guys are interested in seeing that. But if you guys love the natural hair tutorials that I've been doing, definitely let me know in the comment section. I will be more than happy to go ahead and continue doing them for you if you find them helpful. I know they've been helping me, so the things that I find on YouTube helps me, and I hope to help someone else out there as well by doing it. So guys, that basically concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned because I'll be back with more videos pretty soon.